Sharing a list with one of your coworkers or users on your billing account is easy. To start, navigate to the My Account section and click on one of your existing lists that you've created. Alternatively, you can access your list via the person icon on the top right-hand corner, via the My List menu. Click on a list, then click on Share. You can either send a copy of this list or allow others to view or edit this list. If you're sending a copy, fill in your name, the recipient's email address, and a short message detailing what's in the list. If you're allowing others to view or edit this list, click on Allow others to view or edit this list. Click on Next. You can either share the list or make list available to all users on the billing account. You also have the option to allow editing. If you're sharing the list, fill in your name and the recipient's email address. They will then be able to view, and if you have allowed them to access the list and edit the list, they will be able to edit the list. Click on Send, and you're done.